this video I will go through the process of deploying a GateManager 8250 into the Amazon cloud. In this picture I'm logged in onto the console, AWS console, and let's just start up with firing up an Ec2 instance. So I'll select Ec2 and I'll select the launch instance. Go to community AMIs and just search for Secomea and you'll find our GateManager 8250. Just select this, and the GateManager will run on practically the smallest instance type Amazon has, the TU2.micro. But we recommend you're using the T2 small instance type with 2 gigabytes of memory. For this demonstration, though, I will just use the T2.micro instance. I will click Next and configure the instance details. Here, of course, you just select whatever is suitable for your needs. I'll just select this for our demonstration setup. Of course, you could have another IAM role, you could have another public IP address, or whatever fits your needs. We will click Review and Launch. Now I just need to edit the security groups here. I'll just create a new security group, call it a GateManager ports and ports needed by GateManager. The SSH ports is not really needed itself by the GateManager itself, but of course we need it in order to install the GateManager. So I will just, the only thing I would do here is to just change the source to my IP, so it's not open for every single IP address. We also need the HTTP port, and we need the HTTPS port, we need the IDP port, and we need that for anywhere. We also need port 5800, which is the Java VNC, and we need port 5900, which is the native VNC. We need port 11,444, which is the port which the site manager connects to the GateManager on, if it's not connecting on port 80 or 443. And lastly, we need the go-to appliance port range, which is 55,000 to 59,999. And of course that also needs to be from anywhere. So these are the rules which is per default needed by the GateManager. Of course you can have a different setup and you could have more rules needed, so simply just add them. I'll go ahead and click Review and Launch, and now I'm actually ready to launch my instance here. So I'll go click Launch, and I will create a new key pair. This is the special thing about the AWS Ec2 instances. You can't just SSH tunnel directly into them with a username and password. You need a key pair. So we'll just call this GateManager key pair. There we go. And I'll download this key pair, and then I'll just go ahead and launch my instance. There. Series is now launching, so I can just click View Instances. So all I need now is just to generate my private key so I can log into the instance, and for that I will use PuTTY Key Generator. I'll put a link to download this file in the description of this video. I will select Load. I will select all files here so I can see my GateManager key pair.pem file. I'll just select that, and PuTTY KeyGen will import the key, and I will be able to save it as a private key here. I'll just click Private Key, and this warns me that I don't have password protected a key file. I really don't want that to the demonstration purposes in this demonstration, but of course the more secure you need the login to be, you should consider this. So I'm sure I want to save this key without a password. So I'll just click here into GateManager private key, and I'll just click Save. So now my private key is generated, and I can actually log into the GateManager now using this putty. I just need to set putty up in order to use my private key as an authentication. So I'll select SSH here, auth, and I'll browse for my private key. There we go. And in session, I will write my IP address of the newly created instance. I see it down here. I'll just click open, and the putty will ask me if I want to add this file to the registry. I'll just click yes. Now I will be able to log in as root, and the GateManager installation starts now, and you can just follow the document describing how to install the GateManager, which you can find in the video description. So this concludes the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to write to support@secomea.com.